right, go. Let's go. Well, it's like a mirror maze. Oh, how do we go? It's smoky. It's all lit funny, and like it looks like you can go through, but then it's a dead end. Oh, ah, there's a wall there. Oh, no, no. Oh, is that not the right way? Oh, here we go. Here we go. It's super confusing. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. I've never seen anything like it. Nope, nope. Is that a dead end? Oh, hold on. They really try to trick you. Whoa! You really, with the smoke and the lights, you cannot tell where you're going. Okay, I think we made it out. All right. Whoa. These all spin too. This is really tough.
Oh my God!
This is crazy.
Daddy, see that?
Now we have to go up this crazy walkway.
The crazy moving walkway.
Oh my goodness. Keep going. Pull yourself forward with your arms. This is not easy. Oh my goodness. Whoa. That was hard. Let's see. And there's this carousel. You want to go through the carousel? Oh, you okay? All right. Whoa. 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 Hold on, let him go first.
You don't go that way. I don't know how you
We just go through there. And we keep going this way. Oh, watch your head. Whoa. Alright, there's another turntable. Do you want to go through that? Solid, do you want to do that one? No. I'm not really sure what's supposed to be happening here. All right. Whoa. All right. Okay. That's the way you go next. Another mirror maze. Backlog. People going the wrong way. Oh, I don't think that's the right way. So here is a moving staircase. Which one do you want to go up? So, you want to go up this one or you want to go up this one? I'm gonna go up the other one once I make sure she's good. All right. We made it. Oh, now we gotta go through these. Oh, go through the car wash. Whoa. More spinny things that may or may not be spinning. All right, let's just keep going. Woo! All right, do you want to go to the slide exit? Yeah, do you want to go to the slide exit? Look, we'll go up to the slide. Come on. Let's go up to the slide. Talia. Talia.
No, it's a stuck there.
You don't want the slide?
I do, but what's down there?
That's how you exit without going down the slide. Look, now we're all the way up at the top. We've made our way up. Ow, I just bonked my knee.
There are 2 slides.
Yeah, there's slides.
I don't know how you get.
Keep going across the fancy bridge.
I don't know how you get to one of
Look, and now we're all the way up at the top. We can see the whole market.
Oh my God.
All right, go ahead. This. What do you think so far?
I think it's so fun.
All right. We got. Looks like we've got one last thing to do. We need to go down the slide to exit. Go ahead. Go ahead. Here we go.
There you go.
Woo!
Ow!
Whee! Okay, wow. That was crazy. Oh, it looks like.
Oh, and at certain times, that little walk might actually move side to side. Too bad it didn't do it for us.
So we've got one more slide to go down. I got like stuck halfway down that last slide. It's a very tight turn on that slide. Look at the weird decorations here on the wall.
Yeah, I think this was supposed to be Space Field.
Yeah, it looks like it's probably gone through a few rebrandings over the years.
I changed it so it's like Christmas. And it's still fun. Very twisty slide, Daddy. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Right.
Go ahead. Here I go. Whee! Oh, this whole thing moves. You never know when it's gonna start up. Whoa, that was not expected. Wow, it's blowing air at us. All right, and wow. All right, hold on, let their group go first. All right, go ahead. Whoa. It's blowing air, it's going up and down. Whoa, whoa. And